Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree Target haul. Stay tuned for all the new goodies. So here's the new Target stuff just because I'm going to need it for some DIYs, and you always need some duct tape. Tell me you don't. So this was relatively, I would say $4 to $5, but as you can see is 1.88 inches by 30 yards, 48 millimeters by 27 millimeters. So picked up a pack, a roll. And this I will say about Target, that they'll always have dupes for, so in a dupe for 3M tape, which is my preferred, but it's a little on the expensive side now. It's almost like $7 a roll. I picked up this, I forget what it is. It's just, I guess, like a generic brand. Can't seem to see, like the brand is too small for me to read. But it's heavy duty shipping tape. So with that, I'll say that. One dispenser, 1.86 88 inches by 27.7, I believe, inches. I forget what it is called. Spot up, I think it is. But nonetheless, they have really great dupes for like the real thing, and they work just as good. That I will say about Target. And remember, I told you guys, if you can come across their paper towels, it's much better. I will say, I pick up their paper towels from the Dollar Tree when I'm in that location, but my preference for paper towels for maybe $1.49, but you get at least 2 rolls as opposed to just 1 roll. So this is definitely better for your wallet than it is for the Dollar Tree, I will say. Sorry guys, but Target, you lose it to Target because you can't go wrong, and the brand is Smart Lady. So now on to the fun stuff. I've had to pick up more Reese's Pieces because they're going. I'm sorry guys, I know I'm trying to do this for my review, but I keep eating them. So I bought a bag. This is not available at the Dollar Tree because they are individually wrapped in this gilded wrapper. That's from my supermarket, but they bring a little bit more than the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, my little cute decals on the glass jar. But I did pick up another bag, and hopefully this will make it into my next review. I hope I don't eat them all. I will say that I do agree. I just saw Mateo Lane's, and I'll link his video in the description box. He's so funny. I do recommend you guys following him. He's such a hysterical comedian, and he just had a review on Halloween candy, and he agreed. Reese's Pieces Buttercups, peanut butter cups, are just a delight for Halloween. It's just the top shelf of chocolates. So I picked up a package to fill my nice little tin, and also I picked up some nautical rope. This will come in handy, I think, for a costume idea. It's in their floral section, floral garden, as you can see. Nautical rope, cotton. I might spray paint these. I also came up across my Scotties 128 count. It's still worth the $1.25, I will say, for its softness. And this is new. This is new from the Dollar Tree. I haven't seen this lace table runner, which has like this really nice lace, but I think it's spider webs. How cute is this? So, or I think, yeah, and you can see like the spiders in the design pattern. But I think I might use this for like a costume. If not, then yet I will probably drape it on my table, but my kitchen table. But I love this. And I think, I forget her name. I think her name is Monster. She's under some screen name like that on YouTube, and I'll also link her video in the description box below. She also has a really cute video where she's decorated her home, and this year's theme is vampires. So this actually, I saw her video, and then I saw this at my Dollar Tree, and it just really made me want to go buy it. So I bought one for a costume idea. Also, they have this poster board in red, so this also will come in handy. This isn't actually a $1.25, it's actually $1.09 at my local branch, but still definitely worthy. And this is a $1.25, the lace. I also picked up another package of their vinyl paper in this nice vinyl red, which will also come in handy for a costume idea. Also, what's new, if you guys aren't really for Halloween but are loving Christmas, they already are bringing out their Christmas tree lights, their LED lights. 10 micro LED lights. They're nice fairy lights. Of course, they're battery operated, as you can see, so you can never go without. And I think they come in red and blue, but I opted for white, a nice delicate white, just because I might use these for future reviews. And I picked up another pack of their super heavy duty AAA, because I always run out of AAA and AA. So with that, y'all, I leave y'all. I hope you've enjoyed this very quick Target and Dollar Tree haul with all these nice, fun, spooky new items. And yeah, if you don't have a costume or don't have a costume shop close by where you live, you can literally pick up some simple items that you typically wouldn't think of in terms of a costume, and you can create your own. And DIYers like myself will, I'm telling you, you'll be like a candy in a candy store. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will keep you posted with all these costume ideas, which I hope I have some time to do, and perhaps maybe on camera, but or maybe I'll just show you the after, like instead of the before and after, just show you the after. But yeah, I'm very enthused and jazzed for the Halloween spooky season. And let me know what item here spoke out to you, which one did really piqued your interest. Leave us a comment down below, give us a share, give us a like. If you like what you see, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY haul or review. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, nerdy girl.